Look what we have here today. Christmas came early, boys. BBRD3, carbon fiber tip, header pipe with a carbon fiber shield, TB parts Klx140 big bore. Oh boy.
Okay, now I see.
All right, so we're here in the garage at my friend Nick's house today. We're installing the big bore kit onto the KLX, and we're gonna put a new BBRD3 exhaust, rejet the carb. This is the start of it.
All right.
Stock exhaust clip sound for the big bore install. What are we trying to set? Top dead center.
Right there. I remember people all the time watching videos, people go like, oh damn it, I don't know how happened my video wasn't recording, but there's a T. If you look down the hole, there's a little
you
T.
can look through the hole?
Yeah, and you can see a T in there. Yep.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Turn the crankshaft over from there. Thing on the air, there's less room.
Stock piston.
There.
New piston.
Hold on to them. I'll have them in a little bit then.
Heck yeah. This is gonna be the first fire up of the big bore. That was fun.
Oh my god, that was so fun.
Dude, I hauled ass at that thing. That was a blast.
So fun.
Vanessa just hit a rocky trail. KLX 170 big bore, got that BBRD3, just crushed it.
Oh, she did great.
Hell yeah. What do you think of the big bore?
So far, so good. I can definitely feel the power. That's for damn sure. There was no hesitation.
What'd you tell me the first time you went up that trail?
That my bike had no balls.
No balls.
And it was lame.
What do we got now?
That was fun.
170?
That was fun.
Big bore?
She did good.